AHUs are the heart of the HVAC air system. Every breath you take inside a building is controlled by one machine.
Most people never see it. Engineers call it the heart of HVAC. Today, I show you air handling unit, or AHU, actually works. An AHU doesn't just move air. It cools it, heats it. AHU actually works. An AHU doesn't just move air. It cools it, heats it, controls humidity, and delivers comfort to occupied spaces. Let's follow the air. Fresh air enters the system, return air comes back from the room. Both mix inside the mixed air section, controlled by motorized dampers. Here, mixed air and return air sensors. Here, mixed air and return air sensors continuously measure temperature. Next is the filter section. Notice the
This design increases surface area, improves dust holding capacity, and extends filter life. Then we reach the coil section, where real conditioning happens. Cooling and heating coils are made of copper tubes with aluminum fins, typically 13 fins per inch. The number of rows, 4, 6, or 8, depends on the latent heat load and bypass factor. Chilled water circulates through copper coils to remove heat from the air. Heating coils add warmth when required. Now the conditioned air reaches the supply fan section. The fan pushes this treated air into the supply duct and finally into the occupied space. Behind the scenes, sensors keep everything under control. Temperature sensors monitor room air, duct air, hot and cold water, and outside air. Relative humidity sensors regulate moisture levels, and differential pressure switches protect the system. They monitor filter choking, fan and pump status, fire damper position, water and airflow. If anything goes out of range, the system reacts before failure occurs. So remember, an AHU is not just equipment. It's a complete air management system. When an AHU is designed right, installed right, and maintained right, comfort, efficiency, and indoor air quality come naturally. This is HVAC. This is engineering. And this is how buildings breathe.
सेव करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, फॉलो, कमेंट करो.